Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar here, and today in this video, this is a scholarship series videos. I have uploaded a lot of more videos about scholarships. You guys must check and watch these videos. Okay, so in this video today, I will be discussing about international scholarships. Okay, so today I am going to discuss uh, different universities accepting applications for 2025 intake in Italy. So I will let you guys know uh, the requirements of the degree requirements of the scholarships and which universities are accepting applications for different kind of degrees. So Italy offers a unique opportunity for international students to pursue higher education without the need for application fees or IELTS test and all these requirements. So known for its rich academic heritage and vibrant culture, Italy has is home to some of world's oldest and most prestigious universities. So let's go and check which universities that I'm talking about. So before going deep into the intricacies of the universities thing, so before discussing about the scholarship thing, I will guys let you know the research and the scholarship application application process. What is the application process? How you people will search and apply for these scholarships. Okay, so begin your journey. It is essential to identify universities in Italy. Okay, like if you people are searching for different scholarships, so different universities sports different kind of scholarships. Okay, every university does not provide scholarship at every degree, but different kind of scholarship organization, private and government, so they provide funds, and the students can easily go through their funds, and they can pursue their higher education in any kind of in any kind of university. So okay. So tips for application: select universities that do not require IELTS if your previous education was conducted in English. So this is a most beneficial tip from my experience, that if you people are did not have IELTS test, so make sure you take IELTS test. If you people do not have any kind of IELTS score, so you must take IELTS, because IELTS in Italy and in European countries, IELTS is the mandatory test. I will be discussing about different universities which are not accepting IELTS anymore. But selected universities that require IELTS have more kind of prestigious scholarships, and have more fully funded scholarships, that you have more opportunities that you can gain and acquire different kind of scholarships. Submitting an official certificate or declaration from your previous institutions as proof of English medium education. You can also take any kind of English declaration certificate that your previous education was totally in English, but remember that one thing, that IELTS test is mandatory. But if you people did not take uh, any kind of IELTS test or any kind of other test, so don't worry. You guys can check which universities that do not require IELTS, and you can apply. You can apply from. Okay, so online test or video interview. So this is the step number 2. After submitting your application, they will assess your application. They will assess your they will assess your all your data degrees, and then some universities may conduct online test or video interviews to assess your English proficiency and motivation for joining their program. This is the mandatory thing, and this is very important thing. Performing well in these assessments can enhance your chances of being admitted without needing an IELTS score. Now I am going to share popular universities exempting IELTS. These universities do not require IELTS test. University of Bologna, University of Milan, University of Florence, University of Pisa, University of Padua, University of Naples, and the University of Taranto. So there is a huge list of universities. Okay, so yeah, you guys can check. I will give the the names of these universities in the description below, so you guys can check the universities like from my this video description. Third step is that no application fee universities. So there are a number of Italian universities that do not charge application fee for international students. So this is the list of the universities that require no application fees, like University of Messina, University of Sapienza, University of Bermengo, University of Parma, University of Pisa. So all these. Okay, so you guys can check. Here are the other popular Italian universities that waived application fees in past. So these are the like 5 universities that waived off application fees in the past. They do not require any kind of fees. So step number 4 is that tuition fees and additional cost. Like once you receive an offer of admission, once you have applied any kind of universities for admission and you got an admission letter, yeah, the next step involves understanding and budgeting for tuition fees. Obviously, this is the most important thing. So tuition fees for international student in Italy typically range between 3,000 to 35,000 euros per year. So you guys can like divide it into months. So it's important to also factor in living expenses, study materials, and other associate costs. So to require to meet these requirements, you need scholarship. This is the important thing. Again, most of the time, um students can gain fully funded scholarships or half partial scholarships, and they can get on campus jobs, research assistant duties, and all other things. So scholarship opportunities, Italy offers various scholarships for international students, funded university, government program, regional entities. These scholarships can offer tuition fees, accommodation, and all other living expenses. So it is so easy. If you get scholarship, it is so easy for you to study as an international student. Okay, so this is the most important thing of this video, that how to apply for these scholarships. After getting an admission letter, how you can get a scholarship. So these are the different what can I say? These are the different websites. These are the different scholarship opportunities, and these are the different institutions that 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 gives the scholarship opportunities. Okay, so you guys can go to their websites, like for example Bologna University study grants for international students. You guys can click over this and you guys can check whether they are providing any kind of scholarships or not. So yeah, you guys can check from here, and then if you guys can enable to get the scholarship, so you can student visa application fees. And so yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video will um, I hope this video is beneficial for you. So for the next time, till then, Allah Hafiz.